to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make green pepper sauce. This sauce is prepared with some green vegetable to give it the green color. The sauce tastes so delicious. It can be used to marinate your fish, beef, chicken, and you can also use it to cook rice, pasta, or anything you like. You can also use it as a dipping sauce to eat your plantain, potato, yam. If you want to find out how I make this sauce, stay tuned. So make sure that you wash all your vegetables properly. I'll cut my spring onion and vegetables because I'll be blending without water and I want it to not be too smooth. The peeled garlic into smaller pieces. Cut the green chili peppers. Cut the peeled onion. In the rosemary. To use the rosemary because it gives this sauce a robust and warm flavor. If you don't have the rosemary, you can use thyme. Leek into smaller pieces for easy blending. I like adding this because it has a mild taste like onion. And please try to wash this very well so that you can remove any dirty from the inner layer of the leek. Feel free to add any green vegetable or herbs of your choice. Cut the green bell pepper into smaller pieces. Then lastly, I'll grate the peeled ginger. Done grating, I'll be adding all the sliced vegetables into the blender. I'll be blending without water. Cover the blender and blend not too smooth. Put the blended mixture on a sieve to drain. This method helps to reduce the frying time. Away the liquid from the blended mixture. You can use it to parboil your meat or cook. Preheated pan, I'll be adding some oil. Blended mixture into the oil. Stir to fry. At this stage, you can stir occasionally and allow to fry. Reduce the heat and fry on a low heat. I'll be adding white pepper powder. Add salt. Add stock cube. Then I'll mix everything together to combine. We'll also add curry powder. This is optional. You can choose to add any spice or any seasoning that you like. You can taste for salt and add if necessary. Sauce is ready now. I will turn off the heat. Green sauce smells and tastes so delicious. You can use this sauce to marinate your chicken, beef, fish. Use this sauce as a dipping to eat your yam, potato, plantain, or anything you like. Hope you can see how easy it is to make this green sauce, and I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.